How to use the Binance app, easy tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to use the Binance app as a beginner. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and click on Binance over here, and you can install this application from either your Play Store or your Google Play Store or your application store. Once you have installed this application, all you're going to do is click on the top left over here to get started with Binance. Now, you can click on log in over here if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, click on sign up, but we're just going to click on log in over here, and we're just going to input our phone, our password, and our email address for Binance. So we're just going to log in over here, and I'm just going to do the security verification. And once you have done that, you're going to be logged onto Binance. Then you're going to click on get code over here. And now once I have clicked on get code, what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter the code that I received on my email. Now you can see over here I have logged on to my account. So over here, once you have logged on to your account, on the top left you will have your account settings, all of the account details. Then on your top right you have your notifications, and then on the top right you also have help centers and Binance Pay. So you can go ahead and get started with Binance Pay, and you also have a $1 game that you can play on the mobile application to earn money on Binance. Now, you can see the first thing that you're going to do to get started with Binance on your mobile application is that you're going to click on deposit. So whenever you're going ahead with crypto, you want to add some money into your account, and you can click on cash and deposit money via cash, or you can go ahead and deposit money via your credit card or any other platform as well. So you can see over here, once you do that, let's say that you are looking to go ahead and trade money with Binance. So you're going to click on trade over here, and this will lead you to the trade section. So on your trade section, let's say you want to do spot trading, which is the most common. So you're going to click on spot over here, and this will just open up the spot trading. Now you can click on the top currency over here and search for any of the currency that you want. So let's search for BTC. So you can see over here I have multiple BTC options, and I can just select the one that I want over here. And once I do that, I can go ahead and do spot trading. Then you also have selling options, and you can not only do this, but to set margins on your selling option. So let's say that you want to go ahead and you want to set margins. Then what you can do is you can go ahead and click on this, and then this will show you the detailed order book that your asking price and the bidding price for BTC currently. So let's say you want to buy at this specific price, so you can just click on buy over here and enter the order, and you can also see your open orders that have been gone through and all of your order history on the bottom, and then you can view your funds over here. After that, you also have margin trading available, so you can go ahead and start with margin trading. You can set the risk ratio as well, and you can see these are all the basic functions of any other trade marketplace that you would have on your desktop or on your larger devices as well. Now, after that, if we go ahead and let's say you want to dual investments on Binance. So for that, you're going to click on more over here, and then you can scroll down or just click on earn over here, and then you can see the recommended ways that you can invest. So you can click on auto invest, locked staking, you can click on savings, liquidity farming, dual investment, BNB vaults, and other things. So let's say you want to auto invest some money, then you're going to click on auto invest, and then you can take a look at the historical ROI. The historical ROI is a bit inflated because it takes the initial buying price as the buying price, not the actual mean price that it should, but it should actually take the normal mean price. But they do bother around with the data like that. But you can just click on any of the things you want to invest in, click on the yellow arrow over here, choose the level of investment. Let's say I want to invest bi-weekly on Fridays, and then you can click on the subscription amount. So maybe I want to be investing 10 USDT, and then you can click on create time, and then you can also add the local specific time that you want to be investing in, and just like that your money will be invested. And you can also click on buy with credit card to go ahead and add this money into your wallet, and that is how simple and easy it is to use Binance. Now, one of the most essential steps is to first off deposit money into your account. So as I showed you guys at the start of this video, you're going to go ahead and click on deposit over here, and then you can go ahead and select any of the currencies that you might want. So let's say you want to deposit Australian dollars, then you're going to choose the way that you want to deposit and go ahead and deposit the money. You can also do P2P trading on the mobile application as well. You can scroll down over here, and you have multiple different options for trading. So you can click on P2P over here, to go ahead and change the fiat. So if you bought fiat such as Australian USD, you can go in P2P and change it for any other method of purchase that is more preferred by you. You also have a simple financing option where you can go on crypto loans and click on start borrowing, and you can borrow BUSD and add a collateral amount. So this is often very helpful in terms of doing margin trading and high leverage trading, but you need to make sure that whenever you are doing high leverage trading that you do have a good understanding of how to trade, because if you do high leverage trading, which basically means margin trading over here, or even more high leverage is futures trading. So if you're doing futures trading on Binance, I would recommend that you go on ahead and make sure that your trading strategy is well equipped with incurring losses and you do understand the potential for loss, as well as the mock trading options are available for you to better practice your trading options. So you can continue on to your Binance account and you can do some mock trading before you are actually comfortable with trading actual BTC or actual crypto. That will help you a lot, especially if you're just starting out with futures trading. So let's say I expect the price of Bitcoin to go down. I want to go ahead with BTC. So I expect the price of Bitcoin to go down. So I'm going to click on limit and I'm going to add this at 100. And then I'm going to add the limit I'm going to change the limit from over here to 21. And then you can click on sell/short, and then you have your order created. So over here that you have the expected price of Bitcoin to go down, and this is going to be the entry price, mark price, and then you can also have a liquidation price set up. You can also click on stop profit and loss, and whenever a trigger price, which is a price that whenever you're incurring a loss, maybe the price of Bitcoin is going up instead of down. So you can add like a price slightly above the market value, such as 25,000. It's going to be the trigger price for the actual loss to be stopped, and you can also choose a profit stopping option as well. So over here, once you have added the stop loss and profit, you can also adjust the leverage. Leverage basically means like if I have 1x leverage, that means if I'm trading my 10,000 USDT, then I'm just trading that 10,000 USDT. If I change that to 2 times, that would mean I'm trading with 20,000 USDT. So that means twice the amount of money that I actually have. And the higher your leverage is, the higher the risk is and the potential for liquidating your account. If you have very high leverage and you make a loss, your entire account could potentially be liquidated, but that would only be your futures account. Your spot or fiat account would remain the same, so you don't have to worry about that either. But going ahead with the futures trading, I would suggest to most people to actually go ahead and make sure to do some mock trading before you get into futures trading. Now, I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to get started with the Binance application. Now, another great feature that has recently been introduced into the Binance application is Binance NFT and sending. So if you go into the send option over here, you can add just a simple payee and pay them via Binance, and that is another simple way that Binance has integrated into our daily lives, as well as Binance NFTs. So if you go on Binance NFTs, you can go on ahead and enter into the NFT space and purchase NFTs and sell NFTs on Binance as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.